Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I want to share this amazing arch backdrop set that I got from efavormark.com, and we're going to do a quick DIY on it. There are so many different ways you can use it. You could use the arch covers, you could put florals on them, you could put balloon clusters on them, you could get custom arch covers. There are so many different things you could do with these. You could also use shimmer wall pieces, and the list goes on. But today we are going to use a piece of pool noodle from the Dollar Tree, along with some of the pieces from the greenery backdrop wall. Now, you guys know I've shared this greenery backdrop wall with you 100 million times before on Amazon, and if you missed it, I will link it down below. But I'm simply cutting the greenery backdrop wall panel the same exact length as the pool noodle. And what this does, it allows me to not have to use as much greenery to cover the base. And before, you know, you would have to use a lot of greenery to cover the base at first, and then you could go in with the flowers. By me using this greenery backdrop wall panel piece, it really cuts out a lot of the work for me, and I don't have to worry about the pool noodle showing. Now, in order to secure it in, I am using the zip ties, and then I am just cutting the pieces off the back, and then I use just a greenery vine piece. I challenged myself, since this was for our ministry, I challenged myself to just use what was in my hands, and I think there's a lot to be learned from that. When you use what's in your hands, it saves a lot of money, and it forces you to be a lot more creative. And so that's exactly what I did. I used greenery, I guess it was kind of like a greenery garland that we had in some big tub of flowers. And from that greenery garland, I just started to place the pieces on the inside of the pool noodle and greenery panel piece that was covering it. And so that is the process. I'm going to start by layering it with the greenery and just kind of getting it to where I want it, and then we'll add the flowers. So I just want to kind of lay the foundation of what we did to achieve the look, and then I will show you guys the final look. So next up, we are going to go in and add the florals. Now, one of the things that I noticed was that I did not zip tie the pool noodle tight enough, and so I had to go back and make some adjustments. So before you start adding in all of your florals, be sure to make sure your zip tie is tight enough around the pool noodle, so once you start adding the floral pieces in, it will not start move. And so once those pieces are in place, you guys, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Again, I just used what I had. I actually had to make the greenery pieces. I love doing things like this at my church so that when I do a, trial run at church, when I get to an actual event and I do the full run, it makes it so much easier for us to do on site. And so I absolutely love these pieces from eFavorMart. I did get the 4-piece set. You could use these also for like signage and things of that nature, but I absolutely love it as is. So I'm gonna give you guys a view of the room in total, and I will see you at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to get yourself some of these signs to add to your inventory, I will leave a link down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be just trying out different backdrops, like the simple draping and different metal backdrops on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this backdrop series as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to each of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I also, for those of you who are interested in event planning, event decor, or event design, I have an online and in-person school called Luxe Academy, and I teach you everything you need to know about starting your own event design or event planning business. If you are interested in learning more about Luxe Academy or signing up for one of our upcoming hands-on classes or our online classes, you could take it at any time. It is self-paced. Definitely click on the link down below, luxeacademy.online, and I would love to be your mentor and just kind of hold your hand as you go throughout the event planning process of starting your business. And I made so many mistakes, and this is one of the major reasons why I wanted to start my own school, so that I can prevent you guys from making the mistakes that I made and wasting the money that I wasted in trying to figure things out by trial and error. And so, again, if you would like to know more about Luxe Academy, or if you would like to take any of my courses, I will leave the link down below, luxeacademy.online. I'll see you guys at the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I would love if you would share this with a friend as well. It helps my visibility here on YouTube. So many of you guys have been saying you've lost me, you couldn't find me, and a lot of that has to do with engagement. So if you don't engage or like or thumbs up or share or post it, thinks you're not interested in the content. So I would definitely appreciate if you guys could do that for me. I'll see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!